to choose which alternative is going to be used. So I'm still, my kids are still struggling with it. Do you have any
Okay.
idea if by attending this webinar, will be I clear with these thoughts?
No, it's an overview program. So you won't be able to clear all these things. For this, you will have to again go for the training. If you have not undergone for the training, then you must take the training. And if you have taken, so just talk to the people, or if possible, I can also guide you. I'm also
Yes,
professional
yes,
trainer of Jolly Phonics.
yes, yes, ma'am,
Okay.
I got it.
So
Okay, ma'am, thank you so much.
okay.
I just wanted to ask you during webinar if I'm getting clear, I'll enroll for that.
It is an overview program actually, and it is organized by Dr. Gomti. And the people who have created the program, they are only taking the program. They'll be taking the sessions.
Yes,
So
Sudha
it is
Goya.
a good opportunity if you want to listen to those people who
application
have
Yeah, ma'am.
created the
Actually, I
program.
thought of joining it, even if it's not
मुझे
clearing my
फोन
Here
stuff.
we have one another problem. We have one another language, Arabic. We don't understand anything and we have to teach our kids. So what to do?
You need to understand Arabic and then you have to.
Yes, of
Again,
course.
it will go in the same manner like we teach phonics. Why we teach phonics? Because they do not, like we do not read with the help of the alphabet names. That is why we have phonics only in English language. Other language are straightforward languages. Like Hindi also, whatever we read, we write the same. Or whatever we
Yes.
speak, we write the same. Like mala or
We
ghara.
write the sounds.
So the sounds are
Yes.
same while we are reading or writing, but in English it is different. And the pronunciation and the sounds, the combination of letters creating different sounds. So that is why we need phonics here in English, but not in other languages. So if they learn the phonics, if they know the basics of phonics, like how to blending and segmenting skills, it really helps to understand the other languages also. Like my children did not have any difficulty in Hindi also. They were able to make the words, okay, in Hindi, the
Because
long
of
words.
phonics.
Yes,
Because
because
of
of phonics,
oh,
yes. I will
okay.
share one pic in the group where the child is working with the Hindi alphabet. And by that time, I did not introduce any matra. So that time they were using swar instead of matra. जैसे इसको आम लिखना है तो उसने अ लिखा है फिर आ रखा है and then म. It means the a is coming after a, right? So they were able to frame the words on their own when they were not knowing matras even. So they were using swar in place of matras wherever they were hearing that particular sound.
Ma'am, just one suggestion from you. If I want to introduce phonics to RV, from which age I should start her training? From
And as early as possible. There is no like beginning age because sounds they can speak. They have to hear and speak. So we have to train the children to speak.
okay,
And
so
hear
once she gets adjusted in nursery, can I start her phonics class also side by side?
Sure. No problem. Okay.
It's not an early age for her.
No, not at all.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have a query on this.
Yeah.
Kids, when they know about the basics of Jolly Phonics, so they are done with the 44 sounds, okay? But when we are teaching them alternative, if the child skips the class, like they have done with only 44 sounds for level 1, level 2 is considered as the alternatives, no?
Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
So, ma'am, if the kids are like leaving the class with the only 44 sounds, then they will struggle in future because they are not knowing the sounds for alternatives.
Yes.
So this can create a problem.
Of course.
So we need to teach them the alternatives also.
Yes. It is very important because
So most of the kids leave the class as soon as they are done with 44 sounds.
This is what when you are explaining the program, you have to explain the entire program, the different levels. But once it is complete, then only child will be confident in reading and writing. Otherwise, if you do the half course, then please don't do it.
Then that's what, ma'am. And if they're leaving, they are again going to be the strugglers again.
So there is no sense of teaching 42 only. This is what, either not to learn the thing that is best. 42 भी मत करो, वो सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा. At least you will not confuse yourself. अगर करना है, then if you want to go for the complete course. Otherwise, don't go for it. That is
I am giving the complete workshop, like session, whatever throughout the year. It takes 2 years for completing it. But some parents are like, okay, they are done. It's more than 1 year. They are joining you and all, because it's conducted twice. So it will take 1.5 year.
it will take. Okay, and it
Yes.
depends on the children also. You might take
Yeah,
time,
that's
you might do it early. Okay. So today, hello everyone. Today we'll
Hello.
talk about the behavior management, and might be today we'll be able to take your topic also if you wanted to discuss how to raise the confidence level for
Yes.
stage. Okay, I'll try to make it also to take it on the topic. So we will talk about the behavior management today, how to handle certain behavior of the children and what is more important for us. So those things we'll see.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon. Do you all know what is behavior?
Yes, ma'am.
Behavior means the expectation when the child is exposed to certain situation, how he or she will react to it.
Okay. All right. And
It includes
Also
suppose
that
अगर
how
गेस्ट
to-
आए हैं और बच्चा अगर मस्ती करता रहेगा तो we will not like it. We will tell him that behave yourselves.
yeah.
Ma'am,
They
the
must
way,
properly.
but they must know how to behave ourselves.
ma'am, the way
Yes.
you act is consider your behavior. The way you act, ma'am.
Okay.
Action.
Right. Actions. Like
or ma'am, we can say it,
Can
the
any
way we show
action
the
change?
emotion. That is also considered a behavior, because sometimes they they throw tantrums. Sometimes they're happy. They change their behavior accordingly.
yes.
Reaction of any
Their
action
mood,
change.
their
Yes.
mood.
Yes.
Their mood also, of course. So it is same, like we have to think of ourselves whenever we are in different situations, we also behave. So what is
Yes.
behavior? Behavior is an action which we are doing, and we are doing in response of something. We are getting a situation maybe, or maybe a
Reaction.
input. Yeah, so we are reacting, but it is not the
Reaction of any action.
can be the action of a child that can be seen or heard. Behavior is an action of a child, the one who is doing it. Okay, and the behavior that must be observable. It means we can observe what the child is doing and what is the action he is performing, and any action that is measurable also, like to what extent they are behaving like this, right? And behavior is not like what we are reacting out of their behavior. That is not the behavior. Our reactions are not behavior, we are just reacting to it. So that we have to look upon it, that is not considered as a behavior of a parent's reaction to any situation, or maybe the interpretation, like we are interpreting, or we are trying to interpret that why the child is doing like this. So we need to understand. Okay, so we have seen that children behave in different ways. So that is what we need to understand. The effective method of examining any behavior is to understand the ABC of the behavior. ABC means the antecedent. Antecedent means the event occurring before a behavior. मतलब बच्चा कोई काम वो बिहेवियर कर रहा है तो उससे पहले एग्जैक्टली पहले क्या हुआ है ऐसा जिसकी वजह से वो behavior show कर रहा है. So that is the event which is responsible to show that behavior, which prompts that particular behavior to come out. बच्चा हर बार हर situation में तो ऐसा नहीं करता है. He does only when he face a particular situation, right? Second is behavior that is response to the event that can be seen or heard. जो हम देख सकते हैं या सुन सकते हैं. जैसे बच्चा टेंट्रम थ्रो करता है. There are few children who start shouting, उनको कुछ समझ में नहीं आता, वो चिल्लाना शुरू कर देते हैं. Some of the children, they lie down on the floor. Okay, they start crying also, maybe loudly, or some are there which do not speak at all, they just get angry, right? So there are different behaviors from the different children, and the consequence, like the event that follows the behavior. जो behavior के event के बाद जो behavior आया है, so how is that, and that this affect the whether the behavior will occur again or not. So then we have to see the situations, right? So what can be done out of these things? First, to understand the behavior, in which situation it is happening, and for how long it is happening, because of what it is happening. So that we need to see. So there is one, like, these are the things which we can apply or we can, implement, is to manage these certain kinds of behaviors when they show it. So we have to first understand and then apply to the children before letting them know that we are doing something with that. They should not realize that what is happening. It is a natural process. Behavior is also a natural process. It comes naturally, right? So we have to be an observer. So consistency is the key. Like whatever the children are behaving, how they behave, why they behave, they see us only, right? So we have to be consistent in our behavior. Like we should not keep on changing our own behavior with the kids. Sometimes it happens कि आप बोलते हो कि आप ये करोगे तो आपको ये मिल जाएगा, ठीक है, या मार्केट में जाओगे या नहीं जा रहे हो तो मेरे साथ चलो तो मैं ये दिलाऊंगी, ठीक है, ये बच्चा स्कूल नहीं जा रहा है तो आप बोलोगे स्कूल जाओ, फिर आप स्कूल से आओगे तो आपको ये मिल जाएगा, टॉय मिल जाएगा, और आप नहीं दे पाते उस चीज को. It means you are not consistent. अगर if you are saying something to your child, you have to do it. Otherwise, don't say it. It is okay. अगर आप उस चीज को नहीं कर सकते हैं, you should never say the children. It is showing that you are teaching him to lie. This is what the result is.
Or else, ma'am, they don't touch us again.
Of course, that is what you are. You showing that we can lie. It is okay to lie, right? And then they will not believe you again.
Yes.
So it is breaking the trust which they have to build. Then they will not listen to you again, whatever we are asking them to do. If we want them to listen. So this is our mistakes only. Sometimes we do it. That is why we feel like then if it happens again and again, then of course it doesn't work. So whatever we are saying, we have to do also. If you are not able to do that time, then you give the certain time or the reason why it is not possible and when you are going to give it. Otherwise, don't promise at all. So that is what consistency is. And both the parents have the same opinion or maybe the point of view. ऐसा नहीं कि मम्मा कुछ और बोल रही है, पापा कुछ और बोल रहे हैं. Then again there will be a confusion. You both have to say the same thing to the children. If it is possible, or if you give them something or maybe anything, so you have to be same with your point of views. It should not be contradictory. The papa बोल रहे चले जाओ, mama बोल रही मत जाओ. So now whom to listen? The child will again follow the one he wants to listen. वो किसकी बात मानेगा? जिसको वो चाहता है कि मुझे वो काम करना है, ठीक है. So again he'll try to listen to his want only. कि जो वो चाहता है वो उसी की सुनेगा, because he's saying in favor of him. So that we have to see. And lasting changes takes time. Suppose we have made a certain change and then it will come into a practice, maybe in the behavior, then it will definitely going to take a time. So we have to be patient enough to settle down the things. ऐसा नहीं कि हमने एक दिन behavior change किया और दूसरे दिन से वो change होना शुरू हो जाएगा और we will be able to see also. So that is not going to happen. It will take time. So it is very good to avoid certain behaviors. जैसे बच्चा कोई behavior कर रहा है और आप उसको देख रहे हो, आपको उसको अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. But the first thing if you can do, if he is doing for the first time, you can avoid it. That is the best method. आप उसको avoid कर दीजिए. वो कर रहा है, ठीक है, वो एक ही बार कर रहा है, वो खुद भूल जाएगा कि उसने कुछ किया था. Because that time he is learning also. maybe he will not repeat it again. But what happens if you interfere in that, you will make that, the incident or maybe the behavior a permanent one. फिर हम उसको मना करने के लिए बोलेंगे, then he will again want to do it. तो वो जो चीज वो भूल सकता है वो उसको भूल नहीं पाता है, क्योंकि हम उसको भूलने नहीं देते हैं. लाइक स्कोल्डिंग फॉर अ पर्टिकुलर हैबिट, जैसे कोई भी एक उसने गलती कर दी तो आप उसको बार बार क्या करेंगे, उसी गलती के लिए आप उसको बार बार डांटेंगे, तो वो क्या होगा, वो उस चीज को भूल नहीं पाएगा. And then rather he will try to do it again and again. अगर उसको भुलाना है तो सबसे पहले आपको भूलना पड़ेगा. You are not supposed to repeat. ठीक है, it's okay if he has done. आपने एक बार उसको स्कोल्ड कर दिया, that is enough. Now forget it. बच्चे बहुत जल्दी भूल जाते हैं, they are very innocent. आप उनको डांटते हो 10 मिनट बाद वो आपके पास ही आ जाते हैं रोके, वो सब भूल जाते हैं कि आपने उनको डांटा था, लेकिन हम याद रखते हैं. That is wrong. उनको कुछ याद नहीं रहता है. They just want to be loved. आप उनको प्यार करोगे, थोड़ा सा इतना डांटोगे और इतना सा प्यार करोगे, that would be enough, to handle all these things. वो भूल जाएंगे बहुत जल्दी. It will overcome all your these things. They don't like to be. They don't keep it with them. But when we keep on telling them again and again, reminding them, then they are not able to forget the same. Sometimes it becomes कि अब गुस्सा ही आ जाता है उसको, फिर उसको इरिटेट होने लग जाते हैं बच्चे धीरे धीरे. हमारे साथ भी खुद देख लो, अगर आपको एक ही काम के लिए 10 बार कोई टॉर्चर करेगा या बोलेगा तो आपको कैसा लगता है?
नहीं होगा. नहीं हो सकता है.
नहीं हो सकता है. मुझे ऐसे ही लगता है, मुझे कोई बार बार डांट के बोलेगा ना, आई तो डोंट लिसन एट ऑल. ठीक है, मुझे तो यही करना है. फिर अपन जिद्दी बन जाते हैं कि हम यही करेंगे. अब आप कर लो, क्या करोगे. अगर जो पेरेंट्स हैं डांटते हैं, मारते हैं, तो उनसे ज्यादा उनके पास ये रहता है, ठीक है मारना ही तो है, मार लो. It becomes a habit. वो उससे भी नहीं डरते हैं, उनके पास कोई फेयर ही नहीं है फिर. और आजकल के बच्चे आपको पता ही है. Yes.
मैम, जो आपने बात कही ना, जैसे सब बच्चे स्कूल जाते हैं तो पेरेंट्स कहते हैं कि आपको ये देंगे वो देंगे, तो ये तो जनरली होता ही होता है. तो वो जब अपन हर कंडीशन में हर बार उनको उनकी जिद पूरी नहीं करते हैं तो ये गलत है.
नहीं, आप खुद ही बोल रहे हैं ना कि आप जाओगे तो हम देंगे. बच्चे ने तो नहीं बोला
देंगे,
आपने बोला.
बट जैसे 1 2 3 टाइम्स हो गया और थर्ड टाइम में नहीं दिया तो
आपको बोलना ही नहीं है ना
कंडीशन.
आई नेवर लाई टू माय चिल्ड्रन. आई नेवर लाई.
राइट.
स्ट्रेट अवे मैं बोल देती हूँ कि ये चीज नहीं मिलेगी तो नहीं मिलेगी. दैट्स इट. अब कुछ भी कर लो. That is not allowed. They should know that not allowed is also a word which we have to accept.
और मैम, जब बच्चा समझदार नहीं था तब क्या करें?
हाँ?
वो तो अपन हैंडल कर सकते हैं.
Sorry, I could not hear you.
Ma'am, I have another case. Hello, ma'am. Suppose kids ऐसा behave करते हैं कि like I'm ready to do this thing, but आपको मुझे बदले में ये चीज देनी होगी. Maybe sometimes I feel वो बहुत permissible thing है, उसको दिया जा सकता है, but अगर वो इस तरह का पैटर्न डेवलप कर रहा है कि अगर मैं ये करूंगा तो आपको बदले में मुझे ये करना होगा, then how should we handle?
नहीं, तो ये आपको बार बार करना ही नहीं है. ये एक बार फिर चीज डेवलप हो जाती है, then the child demands it. हम ही उसको बार बार डेवलप कराते हैं, तभी वो डिमांड करता है. जैसे आजकल बच्चे खाना नहीं खाते तो या तो हम टीवी के सामने बैठा देते हैं या फिर स्क्रीन पे अपना मोबाइल. दैट इज वेरी बैड. जो बच्चा खा रहा है ना, उसके शरीर में बिल्कुल नहीं जा रहा है, उसको पता ही नहीं कि वो क्या खा रहा है.
Actually, ma'am, I haven't developed this habit yet, but sometimes I face कि इस तरह का कुछ पैटर्न शायद डेवलपिंग फेज में है. So for once or twice I have said no, it's not possible. But what I have felt कि वो इतना deeply उस चीज को लेकर बच्चा convince नहीं हुआ है. उसको लग रहा है कि मामा can do this thing for me, why she is not doing. या मतलब उसका एक मुझे बहुत और convincing solution चाहिए कि if I want to deny for something कि नहीं, this is not possible right now.
Yes.
There is a one thing what I normally follow, that I distract her. मैं उसको डिस्ट्रैक्ट कर देती हूँ. बट स्टिल मुझे लगता है कि इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू वर्क इन अ लॉन्ग रन. वो बहुत लंबे समय तक डिस्ट्रैक्टिंग नहीं चलेगा. आई शुड हैव सम कंक्रीट सॉल्यूशन इन माय हैंड. सो व्हाट दैट थिंग कैन बी.
फर्स्ट सॉल्यूशन इज लाइक यू हैव टू कीप इट एज अ प्रॉब्लम विद द चिल्ड्रन कि एक प्रॉब्लम है, अब इसको कैसे सॉर्ट करें. देन दे विल गिव यू द सॉल्यूशन. सेकंड इज यू हैव टू टेल द रीजन व्हाई वी आर डिनाइंग इट. Okay, because maybe it is not good for health. Maybe you can tell them certain stories which are related to these things which are creating the bad impact, maybe the bad result. So that can really help them out. Okay, so or you can use this the traffic light also the behavior which is good or bad. So if it is a red light, it means we are not supposed to do it, right?
Okay, right.
So we can have certain rules also at home that what we are supposed to do in which situation. So that comes from the beginning, and you have to start behaving also the same way. ऐसा नहीं कि आप कुछ और बोल रहे हो और उसको कुछ और करने को बोल रहे हो. हम हमारा मोबाइल यूज कर रहे हैं और हम खा रहे हो, फिर हम बच्चे को बोल रहे हैं कि आप नहीं खा सकते हो मोबाइल लेके, तो फिर that is wrong. This is what they are observing. They are always observing us what we are doing. So before we tell them, we have to be very careful that we are not supposed to do the same. Otherwise, they will not follow you at all.
Ma'am, one problem I have seen that I had not developed that habit in RV.
ठीक है.
इनिशियल स्टेज पे 1.5-2 साल तक ऐसा ही रहा कि मैं उसको कहीं पे भी मोबाइल नहीं देती थी. हम कहीं पे गेट टुगेदर हो तो भी मोबाइल नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं. पर बाहर माहौल ऐसा होता है कि हमें गेट टुगेदर में जाना पड़ता है, पार्टीज में जाना पड़ता है, वहां पे मम्मी अपने बच्चे को मोबाइल देके खाना खिलाती है, तो दे एक्सपेक्ट फ्रॉम अस कि उसकी मम्मी देती है तो मेरी मम्मी मुझे क्यों नहीं देती है.
So yeah, that's
And
what.
now
Here the stories will help. Yes. Here maybe
Now she has
stories will
started
help.
questioning me कि उसकी मम्मी देती है, तू क्यों नहीं देती है.
तो आपको रीजन बताना पड़ेगा, ठीक है ना. अब उसके लिए वहाँ पे एक स्टोरी क्रिएट भी कर सकते हैं, बना के सुना सकते हैं, so that they will get. You have to show them the bad impact कि उसको करने से क्या होगा.
Okay.
This
can I
not
help
like
you?
to have.
Yeah, this happened with me, ma'am. But what did I said कि वो जो खाना खा रहा है वो उधर उसका अटक जाता है, जो बच्चा मोबाइल देख के खाना खाता है. I taught him this, so he got it कि हाँ, and once he vomited, I told कि आपने मोबाइल देख के खाना खाया ना. I know I lied to him, but this is not good for him for watching the screen, having a screen and eat. He is now 5, but touch wood, he doesn't ask me for screens and all. It's like we have a good time. We sit together on the floor, we eat. I say, you have to just pray. You should show thankful for the food you're having. And then I say, see what you're eating, how much you're eating, which is this color, what are you getting from it. So we are involved in that. He never asked me for food. He is 5 now. Now he is like, I want to watch TV. Like we are going at relatives' place and all. After seeing other kids. Otherwise, till now, I haven't shown him. I have made some stories like उनकी tummy में snake बन जाएंगे अगर टीवी देख के खाना खाया तो the food won't be get digested properly and all. And kids
I
learn
remember
from
my
them.
one. I remember my incident when we were children. When I was a child, I used to keep one hand on the earth and then ऐसे बैठ के खाना खाते थे ना. And my papa was like कि नहीं ऐसे बैठ के खाना नहीं खाना है, अच्छे से बैठ कर खाओ. Maybe you should not fold your legs while sitting and eating. You should cross your legs for eating and sitting. So my father used to say कि जो खाना खा रहे हैं वो रावण के पेट में जाएगा. सीधे बैठ के खाओ, ऐसे बैठ के नहीं खाना है.
Help us to do it. Yes.
तो जो हमारे जो मम्मी पापा और हमारे दादा दादाजी की जो स्टोरीज है, that also we can use a little bit which has been applied to us. Again it depends also कि हम कैसे develop हुए, हमारे पेरेंट्स ने हमको कैसी परवरिश दी है, how they have brought us up. The same we use with our children also. Okay, the same dialogues it goes to our children whichever we have heard from our mother, and it is going to be same with their kids also. Like
ऐसा होता है जैसा हम करते हैं वैसा वो हमको देख के वैसे ही सीखते हैं और वैसे ही
वो
करते
आज नहीं करना है, it
ये
is okay,
होता
but
ही
they
है.
are listening and learning. तो जब उनका
Listening,
वो phase
learning.
आएगा ना, they will also follow the same. It will happen. जब हम नहीं होते ना present, तो बच्चे ऐसे behavior बिल्कुल नहीं करते हैं, वो हमारे सामने ही करते हैं. जब हम absent
जैसे हम
रहते हैं,
यदि
वो
खाना
बहुत
खाते समय
responsible रहते हैं. हाँ.
जैसे हम खाना खाते समय टीवी नहीं देखेंगे तो वो भी नहीं देखेंगे, हम देखेंगे तो वो भी देखेंगे.
Of course, जो हम करना है वो तो बच्चा करेगा ही सही.
वो करेंगे.
Right, और फिर उनको engage करके रखना is very important. Make them to do certain activities और जो भी है, keep them talking. So if they are engaged, then they will not trouble you. And one thing we have to remember that we all make mistakes. So it is okay if they are also making mistakes, but it is to be handled carefully. If it is okay done first time, if it is done, it's okay, no problem. Don't scold the children even for this. It's okay. Next time we will take care of it. Then it should not repeat again. If it is done, बच्चे से गलती हो जाती है तो they also feel themselves awkward. उनको खुद को लगता है कि उन्होंने कुछ गलती कर दी है.
हमने गलत किया.
हाँ, उनको खुद ही फील होता है वो. it is
They
there
feel shy.
inside, वो खुद ही होता है उनके अंदर, तो हमको उसको बोल देते हैं और डांट देते हैं तो फिर और उनको वो हो जाता है. So we should not do. So that is there are many things that these are main which we can handle certain things, right?
Right.
So go for the moral stories also. Try them. हमारे समय में तो हम बहुत रीडिंग भी किया करते थे, आजकल के बच्चे कुछ नहीं करते हैं. They just only are involved in the cartoons, and cartoons are, you know, they're spoiling the children in every manner. Like they learn to talk from the cartoons only. Very bad way. आपने वो एक देखा है, कौन सा आता है?
Shinchan. Shinchan. छोटा.
Shinchan आता है.
छोटा भी.
टीचर वाला आता
Shinchan.
है. क्या था? रोल नंबर 21. That is very bad.
21.
बेचारे प्रिंसिपल को
Very
परेशान
bad.
करते रहते, तो बच्चे क्या सीखेंगे फिर? They will not respect teachers ना.
I talk about my son, ma'am, and he's watching this cartoon Motu Patlu. There are few things in Motu Patlu which
Everyone see.
but at the same time he's not watching English, so it's okay, fine, whatever language you are comfortable in, you just watch. So he's watching this cartoon, and from this cartoon he has learned so many things, and he's like कि जो मेहनत करता है और उसमें कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. So every time he's peeping inside the kitchen and he's saying, "Mama, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती." मैंने कहा, right,
My son also.
And apart from that, he's also saying like this, ki Ata Maji Satakli. And I was like, what is this, Mane? From where you have learned this language? He said, Mama, I am Little Singham and I am going to be a tiger. And he's saying like, now he's going to say you. Okay, say it.
Ata Maji Satakli. Ata Maji Satakli.
Manja attack, and he's doing manja attack. I don't know, ma'am, how to handle it, but at the same time, and it's okay, fine, because the lockdown period is going on, and I cannot.
It's okay. Avoid certain things. Yeah, it will go away. Avoid certain things. Okay, it's okay. Let them play.
Let it be.
Okay.
Let it be. I actually make him free for some time, ma'am, because even I'm so busy
They need
at
their own
times. So I
space.
say, okay, fine.
Okay. Okay, anything else? That's all for today. Rima ma'am will try to take your topic separately. Okay. So, bye everyone.
Nice session, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye, so
One
much.
gets off.
Bye, everyone.
Bye bye. Otherwise, it
ma'am.
goes automatically off.
Bye, Pooja, ma'am.
Bye everyone.
Bye.
Bye.
Good topic, ma'am. Very nice.
Thank you.
So
Bye
much,
bye.
ma'am.